In this video, I am going to install Microsoft Windows Server 2022 in this computer. So this is the BIOS of the computer. It has an ASUS motherboard. So the processor is Intel Core and the total memory in this computer is 16 gigabytes. So in the boot menu of the BIOS, I want to make sure that secure boot is off, and there are only two options here. So I'm going to leave it as is. I'm going to click Advanced. So booting from a USB drive is enabled. So on this Windows desktop, I have the ISO file, and this is the Microsoft Windows 2022 server. And I'm going to be creating the bootable USB drive with this ISO file. So I'm going to be using Rufus, create the bootable drive. And this is Rufus website. I just need to download the exe file here. So I already downloaded this exe file. So in the search bar here, I'm going to type Rufus. This is it. I'm going to click on it. So I'm using a 16 gig USB drive. So on the boot selection, I'm going to select the ISO file. I'll click select. It's on my desktop here. And under volume label, I'm going to type server 2022. I'll click start. I'll click OK here. Now it gives you a warning that everything in the USB drive will be deleted. I'll click OK. So this is going to create the bootable USB drive. So the USB bootable drive was created. So I inserted the USB drive and I'm going to boot up this PC. Start pressing F8 on the keyboard and I get the boot menu. So I'm going to select the USB drive to boot up from. I'll hit enter on the keyboard. So okay, on this page, I'm going to click next. I'm going to click install now. So here I have to select the operating system you want to install. I'm going to select the second option, Windows Server 2022 Standard Desktop Experience. I'll click next. So I'll check this box. I accept the Microsoft software license. I'll click next. So there are two options here. It says which type of installation do you want. I'm going to choose the custom installation. So this computer had a previous installation, so I'm going to delete all these partitions. I just have to select it and click delete. So I'm going to click next. And it's installing the Microsoft Server operating system. So okay, it's restarting. So I have to type in an administrator password. I'll click finish. So the time is wrong. I'll have to change the time. So I'm going to change the time here. So I'm in Eastern time. So I'm going to go to settings. I'm going to update this computer. I'm going to click on update and security. I'm going to check for updates. So there are some updates here. While the server is updating, I want to go to Device Manager. I'm going to type Device Manager. So there are some drivers that are not installed, and I need to download the drivers for the motherboard and install it. So this is an ASUS motherboard, and I'm going to go to the ASUS website and download the drivers. So this is the ASUS motherboard. It's a Prime B760M AD4. I'm going to download the drivers. So in the please select operating system, there's a drop-down tab. There are only two options, Windows 11 and 10. There's nothing on the others. I'm going to choose Windows 10 download. And I'm going to download all these drivers. So the drivers are downloading, installing zip file. And I'm going to unzip it, place it in a USB drive, and install the drivers in the Windows Server 2022. So I'm going to install the drivers. All the drivers are in the external drive in the server computer. So I'm just going to right-click the device, click Update Driver, browse my computer for the driver. And I'll select the drive, which is D. Click OK and click Next. So I'll do this for the rest of the devices here. So all the drivers are installed in this Windows 2022 server. I'm going to check on the updates. So I'm going to restart the server. The updates are being installed. So I'm going to log in into the server. So I'm going to type Device Manager. So all the drivers are installed. So I'm going to check the updates if there are more updates. So I'll go to Settings. Click on Update and Security. So there are some updates. I'm going to check for updates again. Okay, so there are no more updates. So I can rename this server. I just have to type about your PC. And I can click Rename this PC. I'll go to Server Manager. I'll type Server Manager. So I'll click Manage, click on Add Roles and Features. Click Next. So I'm going to leave it as is, role-based or feature-based installation. Click Next. Click Next. And here is where I can choose whatever server I would like. I can create an Active Directory server, a DHCP server, a DNS server, Hyper-V. So I have all these options. So in this video, I installed Windows Server 2022 Standard Edition. So the installation was successful. So I want to thank you for watching and I thank you for subscribing.